Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing my new phone, which I'm very excited about. It's the Pixel 6 Pro in Stormy Black. I'll also set it up in this video since these days there's not really much to show in an unboxing video because you don't get a lot in the box, but that's the same with most manufacturers. So yeah, let's get on with it. So you can see the device on the front of the box, Google logo, name of the device on the side in case you forgot, name of the company on the other side in case you forgot, logo, information, and lots of text which I cannot be bothered to read. So let's jump straight into the box. Now you pull these pull tabs, which I'm sure you've all seen before. And hopefully reveal the device. There it is, looking very, very nice. I do almost wish that I'd got it in white, but you know, this looks nice too. Let's pull it out nice and carefully. Look at that. Looks like you got some real depth in there. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but that looks crazy. Oh, has it got a little sticker over it as well to protect it, or is that I'm not sure, but I'm not going to play with that anyway. Let's go ahead and remove this, which I would prefer to be a screen protector, but what can you do? Screen protectors on curved edges are a pain, to be honest. I would prefer it if this was a flat display. I don't know why, if you have a flagship, it means you've got to have a curved edge. Yeah, I mean, who really cares about screen to body ratios these days? And yeah, it feels a bit thinner in the hand, but I don't care. I'd rather have a flat screen, nice and easy to apply a screen protector to. But yeah, there you have it. You got speaker grills and the charging port on the bottom there. You've got, looks like a hole for a microphone on the top there if it would focus on the phone. There we go. Your camera array on the back, which we've already seen. Nice big lenses by the looks of things, big sensors in this phone. Selfie camera, which is of course a hole punch type, which is why you don't get the face unlock on this phone, I assume. You can do face unlock with a hole punch camera, but I guess the security's not as good, so Google decided not to do that. And you know what, I'm okay with that. It's got a lot of flack for only having a fingerprint sensor, but I would prefer a fingerprint sensor to face unlock, especially now we're all wearing face masks and when we go out. And I don't remember Apple getting as much flack for only having face unlock on their flagship phones and no Touch ID. So I don't know why Google's getting so much flack for this one. But before we carry on with that, I'm going to have a look at what else is in the box. So you've got the on-the-go cable, so if you need to connect some USB devices, I guess. I'll never really find much of a use for that, but you never know, it's good to have it. I'd rather have a power brick, but as is life. In fact, a power brick would be much more useful than an on-the-go cable. Get a grip. What are you doing? Nah, whatever. USB-C cable, but no brick to charge it into, to plug it into. A little book of information, I guess. Oh, it tells you how to do the SIM on the back there. Let me just pop this back in here. Oh, right. It's going to be difficult to get that back out now because I haven't got a little pull tab there, but never mind. Let's open up the book and see what it's about. SIM removal tool. 2 little books. Safety warranty and regulatory manual for Pixel 6 Pro. Never going to read that. Google. I don't know. What's this? Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds. Follow steps to set up. SIM card, fingerprint lock, USB-C port, volume, power. Actually, that is that is one thing about this phone. I would much prefer the volume to be on the top and the power to be below, because when you hold the phone, your thumb rests here. How often am I needing to press the volume rocker? And how often am I needing to power it on and off? I'm betting I'll be locking and unlocking my screen with the power button more often than changing the volume. So it'd be better if this was a bit further down, but you know, I can still reach it. It's I haven't got massive hands, probably, I don't know, average maybe. So yeah, that's fine. It's not the end of the world. Some people say they prefer the volume rocker to be on the opposite side to the power button, but I disagree, because on my iPhone, I'm forever accidentally taking screenshots because the volume rocker is on the other side to the power button. So I do prefer this layout with them both on the same side. So anyway, back to the little manual now. I'm guessing it's just going to be that, and then in all different languages. So you've got some links. Not all languages, obviously. There's too many, but... And yeah, that's it. That's it for English. Right. Let's power it on. For the first time ever. Giving you a better look at the hole punch there, so you can see the size for yourself. Welcome to your Pixel. English, United States. No. English, United Kingdom, please. Is it in alphabetical, or am I going to be English, United Kingdom? That's much better. The proper English. English. Assistive options, probably don't need to click that. Just a sec. I mean, I feel like they could have fitted second in that space. Connect to a mobile network. Download a SIM? Wow, I've never seen that before. Maybe I'm out of touch. But I am going to put my SIM in later, after I've got a case and a screen protector for this. If I can manage to apply it nicely with the curved edges. So I'll skip that for now. Connect to Wi-Fi. What is my Wi-Fi password? That's a good question. So I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi off screen so that you can't all know my passwords and whatnot. Getting your phone ready. Are you excited yet? I gotta say, it does feel nice in the hand, but it's a shame I'm going to be putting it in a plastic case. Yeah, your fingers do definitely rest underneath that. Actually, when I've got my pinky finger supporting it, it's not quite high enough, so that gives you an idea of what size my hands are. I would prefer a smaller device, but I also want a telephoto lens. So that limits my choices really, which is why I've gone for this rather than the Pixel 6. I definitely want a telephoto lens, and I've wanted for a long time a phone with a wide angle front facing camera, so this ticks both of those boxes. Meant I couldn't really settle for the Pixel 6, unfortunately, as much as it definitely looks the better value phone, but what can you do? Copy apps and data. I do want to do that, but do I want to do that now? Let's see what choices I have. Find your own old phone's cable. Okay, well, I'm actually using my old phone to record this, so that's not ideal. I bet I can't do it while recording. Sorry for the knocking, somebody's doing some DIY, it would seem. What shall I do? How do you open this? I guess you have to rip it. Oh, I don't like ripping things. That's horrible glue as well. Oh, look at that. That doesn't rip very nicely. Yeah, this unboxing experience needs work. But it does the trick, you know. It's serviceable. Let's see if I can do this while while filming then. Choose what to copy. I think I'll copy everything, yes. Google services. Right. Do I want to give Google all of my data? Let me think. No, don't send usage diagnostics. Sod it, yeah, you can have all of my data. Let's go. Back up your phone with Google One. Now, actually, you get 3 months free Google One, but I already paid for it. I wonder if there's a way I can take advantage of that free 3 months. Set up a pin. Yep, let's hide that. Set up Fingerprint Unlock. Let's see how we get on with this. I've not heard good things about the in-screen fingerprint sensor on this phone, but let's see how we get on. Right, how to set up your fingerprint. I've used in-screen fingerprint sensors before, so I imagine this is just pretty straightforward. You got to adjust your grip every time you press it slightly. Lift, then touch again, yeah. Touch and hold each time the fingerprint icon moves. This helps to capture your full fingerprint. Now, my previous phone didn't do that. That's quite an interesting way to do it. It's probably good because my mum always struggled to get these in-screen fingerprint sensors to register her finger. So let's add my other thumb now. Continue setup. Keep going to get your phone fully set up, or leave now and get reminder to finish later. Let's carry on. Talk to Google hands-free. Yep, sure. Activate. Put my phone down. Activate voice match for Hey Google. Yep. Access your assistant without unlocking your phone. Yep. Anything else? Set up a few more things now or find them in settings later. Let's see what we got. We got instant translations. Yep. Let's have a bit of that. Identify the music we've now playing. Yep. Let's get a bit of that. I wonder what that does to battery life. Always on display. You gotta have that. Control info on lock screen. Give me everything. I've got nothing to hide. And yep, that'll do for now. Get more tips and tricks. Nah. Right, that's that then. It's going to finish copying the data, and then the phone is going to be set up. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Let me know actually in the comments if you'd like to see a review of this phone. I mean, I know there's plenty out there, so maybe not, but yeah, thanks for watching.